Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Questions channel. In this video, I wanna show you how to display baterai percentage on Vivo Y18. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Okay, first thing first, open your settings menu. And then go to baterai menu, click it. Next, open baterai style and percentage. Yep, you can see in this baterai percentage, do not display. You can choose one, display outside baterai or display inside baterai. I wanna try to display outside baterai. Click it. Yep, the display on my baterai is outside. Okay, next I wanna try display inside baterai. Click it. You can see the display baterai is inside like this. I like display outside baterai. I choose this one. You can choose whatever you like. So guys, this was my tutorial. I hope to be useful for you. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. Thank you.